Alright, I'm finally getting around to making this video. Probably should have made this a while ago, but this is the guide on how to change your spray on PC for Vail VR. So first thing, it is PC only, meaning if you are a Quest player who plays standalone, like runs the game on the headset, this isn't gonna work for you. But if you use your Quest headset as like a PC VR headset, it will. Or if you use like an Index, Pimax, like CV1, big screen, whatever. As long as you play on PC, this will work. It also works on Linux as well. So it works Windows and Linux. I'm running Windows 11. If you're running Windows 10, it will work, but you should probably update to Windows 11 for security reasons. But regardless, Linux, I do know it works, but it's going to be a little different per your flavor of Linux. And I'm not a Linux guy. I'll see what I can do to help you, but I trust that you're technically competent enough to be able to figure this out if you're running Linux in the first place. So, first thing, we all know what sprays are. Here's the default teddy bear light bulb. If you're on Quest PC, this is what you start with. You press your right joystick in, unlock the wall, floor, ceiling, and you get light bulb the bear. However, you can't change it, as I'm about to show you. So first things first we're going to do here is open up File Explorer. It looks like this icon down here. You can, if you have the search bar, just type File Explorer or hit Windows key and type File Explorer. There's several different ways to find it. I trust you can find it. The first thing we need to find is your username. Do that. Just type this in or copy paste it from the description below. I remember to put in the description. Hit enter, and you end up with this. The main thing we're looking for here, and this is going to be different for everyone watching, but for me, username's Wyatt. So that's what we're looking for here. The important part to remember is this will be cap sensitive. So if something's capitalized, it needs to remain capitalized during this next part. So what we're going to do, this will be in the description. This long file path right here. What you're going to see here is enter user here. I am going to put Wyatt because again, that is my username here. Right here, make sure that there's no spaces here between these backslashes, or else this will not work. Come over here, press enter, and you should have a notepad screen open up that looks something like this. If the notepad screen doesn't open like this, either you mistyped your username up here into this command I had here. So you either mistyped your name, didn't capitalize something like that, or or the game got updated and this file isn't used anymore, or something like that. Countless different things, but those are pretty much could be your two main reasons if this doesn't open up. Just go back, check your username, make sure everything's capitalized that needs to be, and you should be good to go. So while you're in here, the line that we're going to be looking for here is spray equals game/Vail/sprays/whatever. If it's not right here, the easiest way to find it, hit Control F on your keyboard, type in spray, enter. It'll take you here. This could be here, could be up here, could be somewhere down here. It seems to be random. I'm not fully sure. I've had to help people on this. Don't know why it's in different places, but just Control plus F, Control F on your keyboard. This will pop up. You're good. Yeah, you're good to go. So next thing you're gonna do is find what spray you want to use. So I currently have Mini Colonist on, which is this guy right here. But let's say I want to switch to Mini Rayab. Just copy paste this line right here. Come over here. Control V to put in there. File, save, and you're good to go. It's that easy. I want to go back and change it to Mini Colonist. Same thing. Just like that. Save. It really is just that easy to do. Again, this is only on PC. your own quest. Unfortunately, you're stuck with the default light bulb until either Axe Labs puts a menu in game to change your spray, or someone figures out the file path on the headset. This is you're kind of stuck with that. In regards to the Steam Deck, Steam Frame, since that's coming out in the future past this video, it runs Linux, so I would assume that you just follow these steps, but on Linux instead, and it should work. However, due to the Steam Frame not being out, I can't verify it. I will begin one, so I will update the description when that comes out, because I know a lot of people plan on getting the Steam Frame. But other than that, yeah, it's just that easy. Just replace that line of text. This video will be linked in the database somewhere that I have. Don't know where yet. And the commands I used will be in the description of the video below. But yeah, just that easy. Um, yeah. Don't know really what else to say here, so just have a good day and feel free to DM me on Discord if you run into any issues, and I'll see what I can do to help you out.